that jam was nasty. Ooh.
Yeah.
That count is like 3 points right there. Yeah. What it do, y'all? What it do? Hey, it's time to chill, TP Crew.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Trey.
And now I'm Paris. Hey, guys.
Back to you with another video.
With another freaking video.
Alright, what's the name of this video, bro?
Today we're doing the burping challenge, and I am super excited because I didn't know nothing about this challenge until a subscriber, yes, a subscriber, we gonna shout him out. What's his name, Trey?
Roberto
Renzetti?
Renzetti.
Hey, Roberto, thank you so much for requesting this challenge. So, we had to look it up, and as far as we know, what you have to do is drink something and try not to burp.
Not to burp.
So, we got us some sparkling water and this kiwi strawberry, some orange ocean Hawaiian punch, and I do not like Hawaiian punch. You like Hawaiian punch?
Yeah, I like fruit punch.
This mess is thick. Gatorade can't go wrong with it. And then
Mountain Dew, baby.
Mountain Dew Diet. We have Diet, what's this?
Lipton tea, what?
Green tea.
Green tea.
Okay.
And you got the Diet Pepsi.
Tell him, babe.
You got a Diet Dr. Pepper.
Tell him, babe.
And you also got some Arizona.
Yes.
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Diet Coke. And you got this Welch strawberry.
Oh, we got
kiwi.
another kiwi strawberry or something. We should have got different flavor.
And a bottle of water. Alright. You want to go first?
Who won first?
Ladies first. Yeah.
That's so sweet of you. Do I get to pick it?
Yeah, you can pick your choose.
Alright, give me the water.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. That's
Give
too
me
easy.
the water. We both gonna drink it. I should have got a straw. My lipstick gonna be on it. Ooh, it's cold. So, look at me use them. I gotta burp. If I burp before, it don't count, right? That don't count, cause I ain't even drink nothing yet, right?
Go ahead.
You gotta drink some too.
Hey, Thursday. Deep throat. Lipstick all over the damn bottle.
I burped, y'all. I didn't think that water was gonna make me burp. That was good.
That was it. That's one.
Did you burp?
No, I ain't burp. I ain't burp.
It made me burp.
No, man.
I burped twice.
That don't mean it gonna make me burp.
Yeah.
Alright. What's next?
How you choose? Any, meeny, miny, mo.
Mountain Dew. Yeah. Mountain Dew, baby.
Yeah, Mountain Dew. I ain't gonna burp this time. Drink a lot, boo. You cheating. Drink it, drink it, drink it, chug it, chug. That's not enough.
I'm gonna chug it.
Yep. Chug it, chug it, chug it. Don't bat while you're trying to laugh. Alright, give me some. Let's see you burp. That look like a method.
That jam was strong.
Let me hear it.
That shit feel like it would come up. Damn. But it's stuck. You supposed to try not to burp.
It had to come out. It was, look, I couldn't.
Alright, your turn. We gonna fit.
Excuse me, y'all.
We gonna fit. We gonna fit.
Ooh, that jam was nasty. Ooh,
Damn.
that count is like 3 points right there. That was a big one.
That was a big one. Damn.
Alright,
Alright, which one?
let's do this. Let's get it out of the way.
I don't think they're gonna make you burp.
I don't know. I be having.
Why didn't you shake it up first?
You gotta do that.
I mean.
Here, shake it. I feel like you playing cards.
shake your bum.
You know how you play
Beetlejuice
cards?
song? Huh?
You mustn't be drinking
That was
that.
that Beetlejuice song.
I don't know.
Shake, 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 shake.
Come on, we got 15 minutes, boy.
Alright, go ahead.
Is it how many of it? I'm
Right
stuttering. We only been doing it for less than a minute. Well, we did
Yeah.
14 minutes already.
Well, you said
Less than a
20.
minute.
Yeah,
Oh, you're right.
you said it 20. You doing all that talk. Go ahead. Drink it.
That's nasty.
Drink it, girl. You telling me to go.
Chug it. It's kind of good. I ain't even gonna front on the Hawaiian punch.
It is good.
It's good when it's cold. Ain't none of this stuff cold, y'all.
Nah, just like that Mountain Dew.
How we move this stuff out the way? We had this. We had the water.
You gotta take it off the table.
We had the Mountain Dew. No, we just set it right there.
Oh, put
Is
this
that in your
side.
way? Is that blocking your sexiness?
You good?
Okay. Who go? Did you burp?
Yeah, right. Well, I drank that Mountain Dew.
No. Did you burp from the Hawaiian punch? All right, come on. Go ahead.
Now I did. Why y'all gotta speak? You see, you spoke it up.
Well, not my problem.
I'm gonna give you something hard.
I ain't gonna burp this time. For
And
real.
you is. Nah, I'm gonna get this coat.
That ain't gonna make me burp. Boy.
What? You hear that? Hear that? Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. I'm
Don't
gonna show you who the
slide.
real Puff
Hey,
Daddy is.
Make sure you get all the stuff out the room. I don't want to
Okay.
drink your slide. You suck that up. Suck that up, boy. Yes. Woo, husband and I'm not drinking that. Okay.
Go ahead. Take it to the head. Take it to the head. Burp.
So you gotta let the bubbles out.
Burp. 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 Burp.
I'm a G.
Burp.
I'm a G.
Burp. Burp.
Did you burp? You nasty as hell. You nasty, boy.
I told you we was gonna burp off that.
Alright, we got the dyed green tea. Hey, I swear,
What?
this thing didn't crack.
Is that?
This shit was open.
Oh yeah,
I
don't
ain't
drink
drinking
that. Don't drink that.
Fuck that.
Want no bum bum.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all gotta listen for that.
That crack cat. That crack. Take it to the head. 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 Take it to the head.
You'll go.
What?
What?
I got some white on me. I got white on.
Okay. Here you go. Drink some more. Come on, you next. Burp.
I ain't burping that.
Burp. That thing almost made me burp.
What?
I'm getting kind of full.
You getting got food?
This Trey favorite soda right here. Tell them what it is, boo.
Dr. Pepper.
Diet Dr. Pepper. It tastes just like the regular one, y'all. This ain't sugar-free and very low sodium. Hello. Burp, baby.
You got
Watch this, y'all. This how you get you to burp.
Girl, stop that, girl.
This how you burp.
Stop that.
You drunk a lot.
Take it to the
Damn,
head.
you like this guy.
Take it to the head. Damn. Every time.
You almost made me
Every time.
spit this out. You almost made me spit that out.
You didn't drink that, girl.
I did.
I ain't see you.
I didn't drink
I ain't
some.
see you drink. You didn't drink What? That little bit of shit.
You looking at me like that. Stop.
All
I got this. Mm-hmm.
Swallow. Burp. Burp.
See, when you swallow the air, it go to your butt.
Burp.
When I be
Oh,
pooping
look.
tonight.
But not.
When I be pooing tonight. Alright. Oh, it's not done. I'm getting kind of full. This what we got left. This is the nastiest stuff in the world. Sparkling water. Ooh.
There you go.
Ooh, child.
Alright.
Ooh, you nasty boy. Oh shit! Did you shake that up? Hey, you remember I shook one of these up in the store and I put it back on the shelf. Then we left the store.
You probably picked that bitch back up
and came back to the store. I said, somebody with medicine. Almost got me down.
Yo, that shit was funny.
I wasn't even looking. That's crazy.
Yeah, that would have been funny.
Look at that. This gonna make.
Oh,
shit.
You supposed to do it slow.
That was slow.
Like
hey, look. Hey. It's gonna come up fast. Watch.
Supposed to do it slow, back and forth.
Look at it. It's going crazy. I shook the hell out of it too.
This gonna make you burp, yeah.
Look at it, look, young tornado. This can't be healthy.
Nah, not at all.
Try to open it.
Hell
Don't splash it on me.
It's still got down.
We're gonna have to give this a minute.
I'm gonna let it sit like that.
That is crazy.
That's gonna make you burp, watch.
That says 0 sugar too, don't it? Move your hand. Yep, 0 sugar. 0 calories too.
They be lying just to sell it. That's all.
No, they can't lie like that.
They got sugar in these.
No, they can't lie like that.
Why not?
Cause it's against the law. Okay, we gonna go on to the next thing. Put your mouth on the tray.
It smell good. See. It smell like a strawberry
Let me smell it.
Fanta. Don't.
I'm supposed to drink it first.
Don't smell like a strawberry Fanta.
This thing is going crazy.
That shit like that fucking stomach up. Take it to the head, girl. Take that punk ass drink. Take it to the head. Put it all the way to the middle.
I might buy some more of that. Damn.
It's strong like that?
It's strong.
Man, you get chills.
Oh, that's a no caffeine, but so why is bubbling? What is that?
I told you they be lying.
No aspartame, whatever that is. Come on, man, drink it.
Yeah, you want to point stuff out? I'm trying to drink it.
And you about to drink a lot too, cause you made me
You didn't drink nothing.
You about to drink that much?
You didn't drink nothing.
You about to drink it down to the what's it clear at? That's equal.
Girl, you ain't drinking anything. You taking them sips.
You ain't
So you
drinking
drink
it.
some hot tea.
That just tastes like Fanta strawberry. I always wanted to do that.
K-Bag is a bitch, and I'm gonna get you.
You did it to yourself.
Nah.
Yes, you did. Cause I ain't even touch it. You so scared somebody gonna do something to you. You done fucked around and got yourself wet. Silly. Then that tastes good though. Come on, sit down, sit.
I got you.
It's alright. You didn't even get wet.
Got my mouth, face, and stuff. Nah, you gotta drink it.
I know. I already drunk some. Tastes like strawberry Fanta.
Go ahead, your turn.
No, you pick the next one.
Nah, I already picked it.
I picked that, babe.
Get your ass back.
You better not get me wet. Sean.
Alright, Diet Pepsi. Man, back up. Move.
I'm not gonna get that on you because you said you got on white. Don't make me quit. I'm not playing.
You didn't quit.
Yes, I am. Listen.
How many minutes?
You done got 5 minutes, so don't play. This is the end. Ooh, burping says, watch this. Stop, babe. I'm not playing. If I spill this on any part of me, I'm smacking. I'm not playing. Right on this camera. And I'm uploading it. Watch this. Stop playing. What I say?
What was that?
Stop. I'm out. Everything made me burp. Come on. Alright, we doing this next. You like that, huh? Thirsty ass. I'm throwing all this shit in the trash. Except for that sparkling water. I slept on that.
Nasty. Nasty.
Nope.
It's nasty.
Drink it.
It's nasty. It's nasty. You know why?
Taste it, baby.
You know why? Because you straight up said this shit was good.
Yeah,
Out your
I
mouth.
did.
But this, you didn't say nothing. You just gave it a look. You don't smell
Taste
that.
it. We wasting time.
This might be some goddamn baby
Whoa.
juice.
Could we running out of time? Baby, drink it. I'll put your ass. Are you trying? Ugh.
Hey, you want to come out the ass?
Mm-mm.
Ugh.
Mm-mm.
Ugh.
Is that drink some more?
Yeah,
I drank all of
I
that.
don't care. It's nasty.
Alright.
Yeah. There's only one. Yeah.
You ain't even drinking enough to make you burp. Let me rub your stomach.
I'll
while you
touch
do-
it.
Alright. Lipstick gone, y'all. I'm gonna need to put on some lipstick to close this video out. Can you grab it right there? How was it?
Nasty.
Let me tell y'all, that was fun, and I really slept on a lot of these beverages because I didn't think like certain things would make me burp, like water or the Gatorade.
Nah, we didn't do the water.
We did water first.
Oh. Yeah, that's crazy because I don't be burping like that.
Roberto asked for this in our last challenge, and guess what? We deliver. You know why? Because we want you guys to suggest some things to us, and we're going to deliver.
Straight like that.
So thank you, Roberto, once again. Make sure you guys like, comments, and subscribe. Hit the share button and turn on that bell. So post notification bell. So the next time we post a video, you guys will get the alert first. Thank you, and we are signing out.
Trifling.
You can't do it.